I've always said that the solution to this problem is a political one, not a technical one. But I'm actually very confused now by what the position of Fianna Fáil is. This is Fianna Fáil, the Republican Party. Is Fianna Fáil actually arguing now that we should start training up border guards, that we should start getting dogs ready, that we should start checking out sites, for border posts, checking out sites for truck stops? Is this what Fianna Fáil, the Republican Party, is actually advocating? Of course we're doing desktop studies as to what may happen under the very many different scenarios that could arise from Brexit, but we're not going to do what Fianna Fáil seems to be suggesting, which is actually start preparing for something that we're trying to prevent. We're not going to be hiring dogs and training dogs. We're not going to be hiring customs officials. We're not going to be scoping out the border for a site for truck stops. And no matter how much Fianna Fáil demands that we should make those kind of preparations, we're not going to do that.
Yeah. It's very strange.
Point of order on leaders' questions. Deputy Adams, please. There's no point of order on leaders' questions. There's no point of order on leaders' questions. Deputy Adams. There is no point of. Well, no, you can't. Sorry, Deputy. Resume your seat. Resume. Deputy Martin, please. You're being disorderly.